This is second Ezra's 9 and verse 2. Then thou shalt understand it is a very same time when the highest, which is Yahweh, will begin to visit the world which he made. Second Ezra's 9 and verse 3. Therefore, when there should be seen earthquakes and uproars and people in the world. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Wakar and shalom to the elders, Wa'ak and Wa'akwaf, and I say shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of this recent news article from KSBW.com. And this was published by Joseph Koptish, managing editor from KSBW.com, and it reads: multiple earthquakes strike Central Coast, all centered in the same area, the USGS reports. Last updated 2:16 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, February 1st, 2024. This is Trace Penn's News, California. Multiple quakes were reported in a remote area in San Bernardino County, all striking in the same area. It says the quake ranged from the quakes range in magnitude 2.6 to 3.4 that have been reported over a 2-hour period. According to the United States Geological Survey, the tremors originated 8 miles south of Tres Pinos, 17 miles north of Soledad. 3.4 magnitude quake struck at 9:32 a.m. 3.3 magnitude quake struck at 11:18 a.m. 2.6 magnitude quake struck at 11:19 a.m. and a 2.2 quake struck at 11:27 a.m. and a 3.4 quake struck at 11:28 a.m. and a 2.8 magnitude quake struck at 12:17 p.m. The first quake felt as far as Los Banos, Santa Cruz, and Monterey. No damages or injuries were reported. And I'll bring up that scripture again. Second Ezra 9 verse 3. Therefore, when there should be seen earthquakes and uproars in people in the world. And this is the book of Psalms. So Psalms 18 and verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled, the foundations also of the hills moved and were shaken because it was rough. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from KSBW.com as of February 1st, 2024. Managing editor Joseph Koptish, published by him. As it says again, multiple earthquakes strike Central Coast, all centered in the same area, which is a remote area. The USGS reports. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying. And with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem B'Karkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'ak and Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say shalom.